Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Depends on where you are connected from. My name is Emmanuel Adekola, aka the Forex Apostle. And they call me the Forex Apostle because I'm a minister of the gospel. I trade the Forex market for a living and I mentor others to success in Forex. It's been an amazing 5 days being with you guys, showing you different ways and the strategies to trade the Forex market, and most especially how to trade a part-time for full-time income, making minimum of $10,000 per month. That is what we have been looking into, and we have we have discussed a mindset, because your mindset is responsible for 70% of your success. And we've talked about some of the basics that you need to know. There's no way we can cover everything. I also gave you access to the beginner's guide to mastering the Forex trading. So download it, read it. Then I believe by now also you've gotten access to Easy Trend, my proprietary software, the trend trading software, because trend is your friend. So this, you have everything to get started. We've discussed how you can create your account, and I also told you about my two recommended brokers, actually three. The first one is FX Choice, the second one is AAFX Trading, and the third one is Ugo's Way. So I also shared that with you. Then we created an account together. We downloaded our MT4 trading platform. We set it up together. And I believe you have also tried to do that by yourself. So, it can't get easier than this. Honestly speaking, it can't get easier than this. But what I want you to know is that nothing works until somebody works it. So you cannot become an expert with just this 5 day training. And that is why you need to take it to the next level. There's a reason why when you go to school, after you've attended the classes, you have to sometimes buy the handout or buy a textbook, or sign up for extramural class and so on and so forth. That is to enhance your success. That's to enhance your success. Somebody says, will you talk through the trend software? Downloaded it, but it won't load on my demo chart. Well, the training is right there, so you might possibly watch the replay, but we'll go over it again if time permits. Okay, so I'm going to enable you guys to be able to talk, ask questions. Let's do some let's spend the next 2-3 minutes. I want to take 2 or 3 questions of feedback. Okay, questions of feedback, or your aha moment in the last 4 days. Okay, possibly what you have learned, or possibly what really dazed you. So please, once again, note that this is an event. So if you have a noise, if you have noisy background, try to mute your line. Also, please know that I'm not a financial advisor. Okay, everything we are doing right now is just an informational, is an educational purpose. Okay, it's for educational purpose. I'm not luring, I'm not enticing anybody to go and mortgage your house, sell your house to start Forex. And also understand that Forex trading involves risk. Okay, it's high risk, high gain. So you don't trade with money you cannot afford to lose. Okay, and every result we have shown is not typical. Past result does not determine the future result, because I don't know you, I don't know how active you are. So let's start from the chat. I think I have some questions in the chat. Somebody say, what is the most minimal amount to start Forex trading with? What is the most minimal amount? You can start with any amount, but it depends on your goal. Okay, how much are you trying to make? Okay, if you are just getting started, you can start trading Forex, starting an account with $100, starting an account with $500. And remember, yesterday we talked about different types of accounts that you have. We talk about different types of accounts. We have standard account size. We have standard. We have mini. We have micro, and we have nano. So this $100 will fall into a nano category. And we also explain that we make money through what is called pips in Forex. So one pip value when it comes to standard is $10. Okay, for most major currency pairs. Sometimes it varies, but we normally just try to round it up like that. Then for many accounts, it's $1. For micro, it's 10 cents. And for nano, is 1 cent. So what you make also is directly proportional to the amount you have in your account. If somebody have like $100,000 in his or her account, we are talking about standard account size right there. If somebody have like $10,000 in his or her account, we're talking about many accounts. If somebody has about 1,000 in his or her account, we're talking about micro. And if somebody has like $100 in his or her account, we're talking about nano. So it depends on your goal. It depends on what you are trying to accomplish. Also, it depends on your pocket, it depends on your availability. And also, are you trying to trade full-time or you are trying to trade part-time? If you want to move full-time income from trading Forex, let's say for instance, you want to start making at least $1,000 every month trading Forex, you cannot have $100 account. There's no way. In fact, you cannot have $1,000 account. The reason is very simple. It takes a lot of work. Not that maybe it cannot be done. People have done it before. I've done it before. You can double an account in a month. Okay, you can double an account in a month, but then you can't duplicate that every month. You see, there's a reason why you see most of the hedge funds, they shoot towards 5 to 10%, okay, in a month. In fact, Warren Buffett talks about making 20% in a year. So one of the reasons why people lose money is that when we have that small account and we want to start making 20% of it every month, then we begin to over leverage, we begin to force trade, and that is one of the reasons why people lose burn out their account. I hope that answered your questions. Okay, let's take the next question. The next question, what can you say about bots? Are they profitable in the long term? It depends. Bots simply means the expert advisors and artificial intelligence. There are a lot of them out there. Trust me, in my 16, 17 years in Forex, I've seen a lot and I've used a lot of bots. Yes, there are a bunch of them out there. Okay, but I will tell you gladly that less than 1% of them actually work. Okay, because what really happened is that when a particular EA is developed, it's developed with a certain strategy. And in Forex, there are different strategies, as you know. There are different strategies, and that is why I give my students different systems, like FX snipers, like easy PC FX, like Tradermatics, because it's just like when you go to a mechanic shop, you cannot get to an engineering shop or a mechanic shop with just only one tool. So the way you trade a trending market is different to the way you trade a ranging market, is different to the way you are going to trade a breakout market, and so on and so forth. So yes, bot is to be profitable, but it depends on the vendor, it depends on the strategy, and it depends on you also, because you have to understand that all these bots, all these EA, all these expert advisors, they cannot think. You can think. You can look at it. Okay, for instance, there's going to be some a news release in the next 20 minutes. I can decide to close my trade and wait till after the news before I trade. A bot cannot think like that. They will only do what they are programmed to do. So that's what you need to understand. Okay. All right. Let's see. Please, can you go through the easy software and download it but not opening? Well, if it's not opening, it's not supposed to open. What you're supposed to do is you copy the software, then you paste it. Okay, you are not supposed to open it. You copy it, you paste it to your indicators folder. So let me see. Okay, what we did was you after you've downloaded it, you go to the location that you downloaded it from, you open it. Okay, you right click, you copy it. Once you copy it, okay, once you copy it, you go to your MetaTrader 4 or whatever the one you are using. You go to your MetaTrader 4, then you go to File, then you go to Open Data folder. You go to Open Data folder, and then you go to MQL4. Then you go to Indicators. You right click and you paste it there. Once you paste it, you come back. You come back to your indicators. You right click and refresh. You right click, refresh, or you close that MT4 terminal and you come back again and open it up. So once you do that, it will load automatically. There you just set it up. You don't have to enter any license key because it's a free tool for you to use. Okay, and by the time you load it, it will be like this. Okay, it will be like this. So that is how you do that. Okay, guys, we spent 10 minutes trying to do that. A promising bot blew my $200 account recently. Well, $200 account, what do you expect? Actually, it depends what lot size did you put, what lot size were you trading. Okay, guys, so I think we've been able to answer some of all those questions. I thought maybe somebody was going to ask questions, maybe like, okay, let me just take one. I'm just going to take one feedback. Okay, like what has been your aha moment in this past 4 days, and you know, what will you say you have gained, and possibly if there's any question. Who wants to go, or I can call somebody? Who wants to go, or you want me to call somebody? Come on, guys, let's do this quick. Shola Sofade, can you talk where you are?
No.
Oh, okay, good. Who again? Let me see. Olusegun, who is that? Olusegun Gumade, can you talk where you are? What have been your aha moment in this last 4 days? Who's this? How can that be done with phone? You cannot install custom indicator to your phone. Nobody does that. That's why I recommend that you have at least a desktop or a laptop, no matter how old that laptop is. Okay, guys, let's since you guys are cool, let's right down to today. Let's talk about how different ways to make $10,000. Okay, different ways to make $10,000 a month with Forex. Different ways to make $10,000 per month with Forex. Different ways, and I mean there are different ways, but we'll quickly talk about 7 to 9 ways. Okay, about 7 to 9 ways. And of course, I call this Forex Manifesto actually. Now, the first one is you trade for yourself. You trade for yourself. Now, remember what I've said. If you are going to be trading by and for yourself, okay, you cannot make $10,000 per month from a $100 account, or even from a $1,000 account. It doesn't work like that. But how can that happen? I'm going to be showing you how can you make $10,000 from just that your $1,000 account, for instance. So let's say, for instance, you are trading for yourself, okay, and you are able to make reasonable results. So let's say, for instance, you are able to make 30%, okay, annual return on your investment. That is, you started an account with $1,000, and after a year, you are able to grow this account to 1,500. Let's shoot like that. That is 50%. That's 50% return on your capital. Now, with that result that you have, you can begin to look for investors. And trust me, they are all around you. It could be your friend, it could be your boss, it could be your parents, it could be your colleagues. So they have this money possibly in their bank account and they are not doing anything with it, or the bank is just giving them 0.1% up to 1% on the account. So you have this result. Okay, so you can approach him or her and say, well, okay, this is what I'm doing. Okay, I'm able to generate this. Okay, so if you can invest into what I'm doing, I'm willing to give you 20%, okay, return on your money. I'm just giving an example, guys. Okay, remember, this is a risky game. This is a risky business. So please make sure you know what you are doing before you embark on that. So when you do that, then somebody can just invest $1 million into your with expectation of that 20%. So it therefore means that at the end of the year, you are giving that person 1.2 million, right? 1.2 million, and then you pocket the remaining ones. So that is number one, how to make minimum of $10,000 per month. You trading for yourself, or if you have your own personal account, that okay, let's say you are able to raise at least minimum of $100,000, okay, and you shoot towards 10% monthly from that account, then you are looking into $10,000 per month. Okay, I'm just trying to be reasonable here, because remember, when we talk about goals, we're talking about smart goal, and that R there means realistic. You have to set a realistic goal for yourself. You don't want to put in your mind that okay, I'm going to be making $10,000 from $500 account. It doesn't work like that. Okay, guys, is this making sense? If that makes sense to you, type yes on the chat window. Come on, let's do that quick. We have a lot to cover, so I'm trying to make sure that I just over deliver my promises. Okay, awesome, good. So number two ways. Okay, the second way, okay, to make $10,000 per month is for you to trade for others. Trade for others. Okay, and I just explained, actually, I just explained it also in that number one. So if you know what you are doing, you can begin to work, okay, with different investors, trade for them, and you make return. So another way that looks like this one is number three, is you trade for prop firms. So it still looks like number two. Now, who are the prop firms? The prop firms are proprietary firms. They are funder. Okay, the fund traders. The fund traders. So what normally happens is you buy an account from them. Okay, maybe you invest, you buy an account, let's say $100,000 account. Okay, $100,000 account. Then you trade that account. Once you trade the account, sometimes you go through the first stage. Okay, they'll give you 30 days, which is tough, by the way. They give you 30 days to pass the challenge. So once you make, depends on the company, but average of them is 10%. So once you make 10%, you pass that challenge. Then you go through the second stage, which is the verification stage. Okay, verification stage. Some of them also give you 30 days, some of them 60 days. Okay, to make 5%. Now, the toughest is actually the first one. Once you pass the first stage, the second stage, most of the time you pass it, because all you have to do is just duplicate what you've done in the first one. And after you've gone through the first stage, you go to the second stage, then they will fund you. So, and when you are funded, let's say $100,000, okay, and come on guys, and you are able to be following your risk and money management as we have discussed it, then you are on your way to start making $10,000 per month. You can read more about that on our, because we actually have a special program that we do if you go to www. You can write that down, 10x your money, 10x your money.net, I believe so. Let me cross check. www.10xyourmoney.net. I have so many websites that sometimes I put them for each other. So it's 10x. Okay, yes, 10x your money, 10xyourmoney.net. So if you go there, you can read more about, let me just post it on the group, 10xyourmoney.net. You can see how we can also help you, how we can partner with you, because the truth of the matter is that those prop firms, that is how they make their money. It's tough. If 100 people apply for or go through the challenge, hardly do you see about 3 to 4 actually get funded at the end of the day. It's tough, and it's because of the human psychology. It's because of the human psychology. It's not that maybe you don't know what you are doing, but then, if this is an account, my personal account, I can decide to go draw down. I can have drawdown of 10%, I can have drawdown of 20%. But without this prop firm, the moment you have drawdown of 5%, you fail the account, you've lost the account, even if it's a funded account, you lose it. So now we've talked about 3 ways. The first one, who can tell us the first one, the second one, and the third one? The first one, what's the first strategy that we'll talk about? The first strategy that we'll talk about. Come on, guys, let's participate. The first one, okay, trade for yourself. Tayo, thank you. Then the second one, what's the second one? The second one, the first one is trade for yourself. Trade for yourself. The second one, what's the second one? Trade for others. The second one is trade for others. Trade for others. The third one is trade for prop firms. So which looks like that. Trade for prop firms. Let me show you guys what I mean when I talk about you share your result. You share your results with share your results with partners that, I mean, though it's not everybody, but those that are interested, in you working or trading for them, or they are ready to invest. As I said, some of you have, it could be your boss, it could be your colleagues, it could be your pastor, it could be a member of your church, So let's say like this account, let me see, like this one. So what you do is that you connect that account. You will connect it with a third-party tracking platform like FX Blue, like my FX Blue. So I use FX Blue. So okay, this is an account. Okay, take a look at this account. So let's say, for instance, now you want to invest with me and you want to say, okay, you know what, I want to see what you can do. I will show you this as, okay, take a look. This is my monthly return on this account. And of course, you don't want to sometimes show details, because then your investor becomes greedy. So, but let's say, okay, monthly return, then you say, okay, monthly return is this, but sir, ma'am, it doesn't work like that, because a lot is involved. So what I'm willing to do, if you invest with me, I'm willing to give you 20%, okay, per annum. And I'm telling you sincerely, many people will be more than willing to invest into you. That's, I mean, you guys listen to wisdom. That's pretty much what he's doing. And the last time I spoke with him, the guy was living the dream, just living the dream and enjoying himself because of what he learned, just like the way some of you are learning right now, even though he took it to the next level by becoming a disciple. Like what I've said before, you see, yes, you guys can, everything you have learned this week, you can go ahead and begin to prosper with it, begin to use it, begin to trade with it. But then you need to also understand that is there's advantage. Okay, there's an advantage in you. Okay, having a mentor, somebody that you can work with, somebody that you can ask questions. Somebody, it's not just about reading books, it's not just about signing up. As I said, there are a lot of free information online, free videos online, but then you need to understand that psychology is what makes you succeed in this industry. Let's listen to Bishop once again. I want you guys to just hear it from him.
Hello, my name is Samuel Bishop. I signed up for the Forex Apostle mentoring program sometime last year after losing my job. The Forex Apostle taught us many trading strategies, but he insisted that we choose the one that appeals to us and fits our personality. So I chose sharpen, and I was determined, very determined to succeed. And now the Forex Apostle didn't get tired of me, and I also refused to give up. Today, I want to say that I am a happy scalper. In fact, people actually bring money and I trade with their money, and I give between 3 to 5%. This was someone without a job last year. So I want to encourage everyone hearing me to please, for your good and for your financial freedom, consider signing up with the Forex Apostle mentoring program. You will be glad at the end of the day, because you have your freedom is back, your financial freedom is back, your time freedom is back. You are free to do other things. So today, I want to tell you that I am happy. I am happy that as at that time, I signed for my financial freedom. Though I put in so much work, and the apostle also refused to give up with all my troubles. Thank you, and God bless you.
Right. I love that testimonial, in the sense that he added and put in so much work, because it's not like get rich quick scheme, guys. It's a lot of work, especially if you want to trade the London session like US or Canada. You have to wake up in the middle of night. Sometimes I'll go to bed like 11 o'clock, and I'll tell my wife, okay, I'll be waking up by 1. So, oh no, you must sleep. But then, come on, sleep is for the lazy people. So there are times that you need sleep. In fact, a day is coming that you will sleep and keep sleeping. But right now, you can't wait. Okay, this is a business. If you treat it as a business, it's going to pay you as business. Okay, someone says, please, Forex Apostle, can you give the Facebook for this group? Thanks. I've posted that over and over, but let me see if I can grasp that link again, or somebody can post the link for the Facebook group. If you have the group, the link. Okay, I think I have it now. So the Facebook group, because there are a lot of informations we post there, this like the softwares, the ebook. I also promise you guys my leverage blueprint. I've not posted that there. I will post it there today. Okay, so I've posted the Facebook link right there. Okay, so we've talked about all those. So we've talked about number 1, trade for yourself. Remember, we are discussing ways by which you can make $10,000 per month. Trade for yourself, trade for others, trade for profit. Let me emphasize more on this trading for prop firms. The prop firms, as I said, they are willing to fund you. They are willing to fund you. Imagine if you have a $1 million account. $1 million account, even though it's a low leverage account, okay, even though it's a low leverage, some of this is a 1 to 10, but it's still okay. If you have a $1 million account, even if you are making just 2% on that account every month, okay, and they are doing 80-20 with you or 70-30 with you, okay, 2% of 1 million, because it's a low leverage, 1 to 10, it's a very low leverage. So you are making, let's say, around $20,000, okay, 20K every month, and the prop firm will keep 30%, you keep 70%. So 70% of $20,000 you are looking into you're looking into 70, that's around $14,000 every month. And of course, you can build up, you can increase, you can build, you can increase. Okay, now that's yesterday or 2 days ago, we were talking about how you can trade, okay, the news. How you can trade the news. Let me quickly show you guys. Now, right now there's a news release. Let's see. Let me go to. Let's see. I just want to quickly show you guys and see. We might do something together. Okay, and don't persecute me. It's a training. It's tough to trade while you are also trading. So let's see this account right now. You see, okay, let's use the easy trend. So there's a news that just been released right now. Remember, we talk about the fundamental. We talk about the fundamental that, okay, you have the technical analysis, you have the fundamental analysis. So this is fundamental. You can see how the market is behaving. So if I go now to my account manager and just say, okay, okay, that you see this right there. You see, I can use this software as it is right now. Now, right now, we can see the market is going down. But I'll wait for this candle to close. If it is something that I want to play, it is. And by the way, this is a demo. Okay, this is a demo account. It's okay. So now this is the account that we created yesterday. So I will wait for this. I will wait now for this particular. For this candle to close. Once this candle closes and it's still giving okay, so I go sell. So you can see now I enter that short position. It can go wrong, it can continue in my direction. If it's going on my opposite direction, I close that account because now I close that trade. Remember, I've already set my stop loss on my trade manager. Okay, so this is how you trade. Because somebody asks, okay, how do you enter your trade? I most of the time I trade using this, and sometimes I trade using this side. But most of the time I use this because it makes it easier for me. I'm not a scalper. I don't scalp for most of the time because it requires a lot of energy. It requires a lot of energy. But let's see, we might be lucky. And if it's going against me, the moment this candle closes as a bullish, I will close this trade. It's okay. And that is why I talk about the using. Okay, you want to control only what you can risk. Look at this account now. Look at this. I want you guys to see this. We are risking $23.47. This is a $1,000 account. So you can see, even if we lose this trade, we still have $948 to trade with. Okay, we still have now. So it is totally different to when I imagine I want to trade now and I enter. This is 0.01 lot size. That's the position sizing. And imagine if I enter 0.1. So that would have, like this one now that we have 2 point something, it would have been like $26. And before you know it, just a small movement, we just throw that account off balance and the account might be burned out. Okay, this is a demo account, so we can play with it. So now you see what I'm saying. So you have to be able to control your ability to be able to control your risk, what you are risking. That right now it looks like, okay, this is a bait, so I can close this trade. I can close this trade if I see that this is not going my way. I will not cry because I just lost $2 out of $1,000. It's not that maybe I'm losing $200 out of 1,000. It's not maybe I'm losing $800 out of 1,000. And for as long as this, easy trend still remain red here, as I'm still in this trade, so I'll watch this trade and I can, just keep monitoring it. That I don't scalp because as I said, it involves a lot of energy. You have all your senses have to be working, and that's why I cannot scalp without using my trade manager. So as you can see, we're still moving. We're still in the trade. I didn't plan this. I just felt, okay, let's feel it. Some of you that's okay. Yeah, we've not placed a trade. So this is how it works. You can. By the way, I'm not like catching trade for you guys. I'm just showing you how you can use this software. If you go to Euro USD, I believe Euro USD is also doing the same thing right there. 15 minutes or 1 minute, you see this is going back. And why do we have this reaction going on right now? Because of this news. Because of this news that's just been released. Because of this news that's just been released right now. Remember, we talked about 4 things that determines when you place a trade, when you sell or when you buy. We talk about technical analysis. That is the one we are using. Then we talk about fundamental. Fundamental is the news. As you can see, 7:30 right now. We have this report. We have a retail sales report, and by 8 o'clock we're still expecting FOMC. So this news, makes the market to start behaving the way it's behaving. Okay, guys, I hope this kind of makes sense to you guys. It's a short trade candle, but the trade is going against us. So I'm just going to close that trade, and if it has not even closed by itself. Now, if I close this trade now, as I said, if I close this trade, okay, I won't cry. Why? Because I just lost $3. Okay, I just lost $3. Is better like that than you now place, let's say, let me see if I can do that. If I place let's say 0.1, then it's just 0.1. We throw the account into stop out. The broker will stop you out, and that's why people will cry, oh, I just bumped my account. The account just bumped. Yeah, the account just bumped because you just overdo, you overtrade, you overplace your trade. Okay, so like right now I can afford to see, okay, now the market is trying to go in my direction. I can afford to now just trade opposite, because now it's reversing. Okay, I can try to make back what I lost. Let's see. So this is how, guys, this is how you trade. Okay, I just feel I should put that one out there as a bonus. Okay, someone says 0.1. That was okay, good. Okay, so any question, guys? Remember, I ask you guys, okay, as many of you that wants to, okay, you want to join the Forex Apostle coaching and mentorship program. Honestly speaking, it's not about the money. Trust me. What you are getting almost $5,000 worth of value. In fact, more than that, And I gave you guys 80% discount. 80% discount. Once you sign up, you get access. You get access immediately to the members area, and you begin to learn. For yourself. Okay, let's see what our trade is doing. I know we didn't plan that, but it just come. So I'm just going to close that. So I've made back almost what I lost, and if I still want to put more, I can just remember we are scalping. We're just scalping right now. So this is what the tool is. If you have VIP version, this is what to do. This is what to do. You're able to I can add more position. I close that one. This is scalping. Now the reason why I can just open, close like that is because I've already set my. It's not a Forex. It's not expert advisor. It's account manager. You see, I already put the lot size. I already put my stop loss, and that's why I have it like that. So I can just mess with it as I want. Okay, so guys, I hope that makes sense. Let's continue our trading. Can you give me link for the easy trend indicator? I posted it in the group. It's right there in the group. Facebook group. So just go there, and you'll be able to download that. Okay, If you have any questions, make sure you post your questions. I want advanced tradermatic on Wednesday. How do I get the software? Chat with me on WhatsApp. The number is 214-444-3611. Just only chat with me, Adebola DDC. Chat with me then to get your the gift that you won yesterday. All right, okay, let's quickly tidy this up. We are talking about ways by which you can make $10,000 per month. We've talked about trading for yourself. We've talked about trading for others. We've talked about trading for prop firms. And if you want to learn more about that and how we can partner to make this happen for you, you will visit www.10xyourmoney.net. Okay, 10xyourmoney.net. We don't work with everybody. We are kind of limits who we work with. I mean, I believe one of our clients is right on this call that just got paid last week, and I had to connect with him, set up his account, and he finally messaged me that he got the money, in his DOM account right in Nigeria. I mean, that is what this is all about. That's what this is all about. It's about making difference in the life of people, just putting smile on people's face. I enjoy doing that. Let me see if I can. Let me see if the information is protected. And I will just give me a minute. We have a lot of testimonials actually. So, but let me see, sort by date. Okay, let me see if I can. I want to be sure the account is okay. This is the name is not there. I just want to show you guys. I believe it's right on this call training with us. You see, last week he just got paid right to his bank account right there. This is GTB. My GTB account has now been credited. That is what we do. That is why we do what we do. Okay, so to learn more on how you too can start getting something like this to your domiciliary account or your Naira account, just visit that 10xyourmoney.net. Okay guys, let's continue, because this is not a sales training. It's just to show you that what we are doing is working, and you also can make it work for yourself. Please, anyone that have Apostle WhatsApp number should share with me. I've just posted it to you. Visit. I've just posted it to you. Okay, let's quickly tidy this up, guys. I have less than 15 minutes to. So we've talked about trading for others, trading for yourself, trading with prop firms. Then number 4 is organizing events. Now, can you do this if you don't know what you are doing? Yes. Let's say, for instance, some of you have huge followers. Some of you are a youth pastor. Some of you are a pastor. Some of you have people that follow you, and you want to show them the way. All what you can do, you can partner with us. You can chat with me. You can call me and say, okay, yeah, Apostle, can you please come and teach my people how to make money with Forex? I don't have to fly down, so you don't have to buy my ticket. We can do everything online. So let's say, for instance, you are able to organize a group of 100 people, okay, and we teach them for free, like what we are doing. And we also introduce our mentorship program to them. If they join, and whatever that comes in there, we share 50-50. Okay, I believe in leverage. My book is Leverage Blueprint. So 50-50, and that also can give you, money. So some of you are thinking, how can I get money to fund my account? How can I get money to fund my account? Now, I'll start telling you different ways by which you can fund your money. You can get money to fund your account. So you can organize events. You can be an affiliate. Okay, you can be an affiliate also. Affiliate simply means that, okay, you are not the owner of the product. You are not the owner of the program. You are not going to be the one teaching. Yours is just to introduce to your friends, to your colleagues, and once they sign up, you get 30% of whatever they pay. So just begin to do the calculation, do the maths right there, and see how that works for you. Okay, guys, I'm going to open up the lines for, some of my students knows that I like to get that feedback. So I'm going to open it up to, hear you guys, your questions. And by the way, somebody said, okay, how do we join the mentorship program? I posted it also yesterday, and what to get. Okay, what to get, let me quickly share that. So what to get, you get access to all the trading softwares that we have, and you get access to a private members area. Okay, you get access to private members areas whereby you can interact with people. You get access to me where you can ask me questions anytime. If I don't reply immediately, just know that maybe I'm busy. Okay, maybe I'm busy, and let me, excuse me a minute, sorry. I'll just try to go to the right. All right, okay. So we call this 6-month coaching and mentorship program. That doesn't mean that you have to stay till the end of the 6 months, or it must force you to leave after 6 months. You graduate when you feel like, okay, it's time for me to graduate. Somebody like Bishop, I've not even heard from him for a while. So, and what to get is Forex education and training, cryptos, currency education and training, stocks investing, all these you get, and these are all the trainings you get. So, and we talk about, what you can start making when you acquire these skills. This is a recession-proof skills that you can get, in this new economy that will help you to actually thrive.
Hello everyone, my name is Emmanuel.
There's no need to play that testimonial over and over. You guys know, if you want to check me out, Google it or go to YouTube. And so this is just all you get. You get all this trading software, the VIP version of it. And if you are going to be paying, the cost is actually around $15,000 for everything you're going to be getting, but just only for today. And this promo lasts today. This promo expires today. After today, it's no longer available. You have to pay. You go to our website and you pay the normal price. So if you go to www.jointfarm.net, okay, jointfam.net, okay, it gives you, and you just enter that code. And if you don't want to make a payment online, you can also make a payment through any of these means. Okay, you can make a payment through any of all of these. You can pay through Cash App, you can pay through Zelle, you can pay through PayPal. If you're in Nigeria, you can pay to our GT account. You can pay with Bitcoin. Okay, guys, it cannot get easier than this. Okay, that trade that we closed, if we had not closed it, we would have made back the money we lost. And of course, it's always very tough teaching and trading. See, if we had not closed it, by now we would have made back what we made. But then there's a way we trade this. Okay, so this is one of the tools that you just got this week for free. And imagine if you now get a tool like this. Imagine if you now get a tool like this, because this makes it easier, more easier. Okay, this makes it more easier. This is Tradermatic. The same market right there. The same market, Nasdaq, right there. The same market. If you attach Tradermatic, it would have, in fact, we wouldn't have closed the trade. Okay, this is Tradermatic. This is 1 minute that we're using, and you see the way, see right there, the same thing, but we upgraded it, and we didn't use a regular candle, we use a Echinacea. And take a look at it, because once you enter the trade, this is how you'll be trading your stop loss. This is how you'll be trading your stop loss. So right now you will still be in the trade. You still be in the trade. Okay, what an awesome way to make money. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, it's been an awesome week. Awesome week. You've learned a lot. Guys, you've learned a lot. You just need to what? Practice. And when you keep practicing, you will improve. And at the end of the day, I look forward for a day that one of you will be training people, coaching people like this. But also remember, if you want to take it to the next level, join our mentorship program. It's been a pleasure. Okay, so I'm going to open up. You guys can ask me questions. Come on, give me some feedback for the next 5-10 minutes. Let's see. Who wants to go first? Let me see. Who wants to go first? You can raise your hands. You can also enable your sound, if possible, enable your video. And I see Joshua Polako. You'll be showing up every day. In fact, most of the time, he's the first person. Mr. Joshua is, I think it's, how old are you? Almost 65, if I'm not mistaken. And he's very persistent. I'm so excited to see somebody like you wants to, make things happen. Okay, so who wants to share with us your aha moments, your feedback, possibly what you have gained, and you want to say thank you, Apostle. You want to just anything. Come on, guys. Who wants to go first? I believe you can talk. You can enable your sound.
I'll go first.
Okay, go ahead, Mr. Tunde.
Yes, thank you for the wonderful training. This is my second training that I'm going through, because the first one, I'll be honest with you, because of family life, took me away from that. This training is really good, actually. Everybody who actually who wants to join the Forex Apostle training, I do encourage you to do that, because you're going to learn a lot. I promise you. You will learn a lot. And I do applaud you for what you're doing. You didn't have to do what you did, honestly. By the grace of God, you did what you did, and I do appreciate you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. I love to hear that. Thank you so much. Okay, Osahon, let's see.
I have two people for you too. I'm working on.
Okay, that's good. That's good.
I told you I'm one person. I have two people for you.
Okay, let's do it. That's good.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, Osahon, let's go.
Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. First of all, I want to really appreciate what you've been doing so far. But I have a little but on my side. I was unable to attend all your class. But the little one I have privy to attend, I really gain a lot. I've been struggling in the areas of Forex. I think I attended going to Forex in 2007.
Wow.
A whole lot of confusions here and there. Wow. But I see your concept is something that is well directional. But I don't know. I want to ask you a little favor. I think you were recording the seminar. I don't know if we have access to your videos.
That's the toughest thing you have asked, because I actually made it clear that there will be no replay. And the reason is simple. We have to repurpose what we like this training. I can't do it over and over, but the plan also is to actually repurpose it. But you have my WhatsApp number. Chat with me privately. Let's see what I can do. But I'm not making this available for public, actually. But chat with me. Let me see what I can do. Okay.
All right. Thank you.
You have my WhatsApp number. I've typed it there.
You want to start with
214-444-3611. Yes. Just chat with me on WhatsApp, and I'll see what I can do.
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome, sir. Okay, Azuko. How do you pronounce that name?
It's Asuko.
Asuko. What's the meaning?
Okay, we'll talk about that another day.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay, I just want to say a big thank you for hosting this program. Just like the previous speaker said, you didn't have to. This is kind of like a peak time. And you could have been trading, making your own money, but you have made these sacrifices, for us without, at no cost, so I really want to say a big thank you.
Thank you.
I also want, in terms of my own learning points. Apart from, I think even from the very first day, going through the questionnaire, opening one's mind, to, like I mentioned the first day, thinking about other things, outside of Forex, thinking of, how to manage your money, how to manage finances, thinking of things like your will. I think those are things that kind of give me a different perspective, because at the end of the day, you may make all the money and you end up just like the example you gave. You've made all the money, but there's no will. Who takes the money? Does he go to the state? And so I think, apart from, yes, the Forex is good, but thinking about other areas of life, money management, making money, which was really, really helpful. And ultimately the offers which you have given, to giving this free software, and with the option of, other things if we sign up. So I think I really want to say a big thank you for this opportunity.
You're welcome. You're welcome. And as I said, I also promise you guys a digital version of my book, Leverage Blueprint. If you're online, you can get the physical book at Amazon. You can get it at Barnes and Nobles, at Walmart, and so on. But I will post also the link for you guys to download the digital version online, and I believe you will love it. You will love it. Okay, thank you. The last person, Shola Sufade, go ahead, sir. Shola, I see you raise your hand.
Everyone.
Yeah.
Good day, everyone.
Good day.
I just want to use this medium to appreciate the Forex Apostle. The last 5 days has been wonderful. I've really gained so much from the program. I've learned about the tools and how it works. And I must say that I'm actually the person that I was talking about when he said somebody had got his money. I was involved in the prop thing. I got my money. It is real.
Good. I'm glad you said that, because I try to protect my clients.
Yes, it is real, and it is working, and it's a very simplified way of making extra money. I will enjoin all of us to please log on to the program. It's an amazing program. You will learn. It's easy, and it's real. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Shola. Thank you so much. Okay, I see Oluwafemi has raising up his hands. Okay, go ahead, Samuel, and we'll close it there. Oluwafemi Samuel, I see you've been raising your hands.
All right.
Go ahead.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir. Well done, sir.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Yes, can you hear me, sir?
Yes, I can.
Yeah, I appreciate what you're doing, and I really learned a lot. Yes, it's Monday, but today the network has reached it from the meetings, so I couldn't get the train. I don't know how you can help. I need to, because you said a lot. Even the pro firm, I couldn't get them. I had issue with easy trend. And you also did something like that, but I couldn't get them. I was just coming on and off because of network. So please, I don't know if you guys, there's a way you can help, sir. Thank you very much.
Yeah, just post your questions and concern on the group, the Facebook group, and I'll see what I can do. Once again, I want to thank you guys for showing up. Okay, I mean, one thing is for you to have sent the advert, send the promotion, send the email, and you didn't show up. But of course, I will not train myself. So for you to have showed up, it shows a lot about you. And honestly speaking, I'm all about just making an impact. I hope you guys know I'm a pastor, I'm a minister of the gospel. So my passion is to see people, living life, at their own terms, So yes, we'll spend the money. Yes, we'll make use of the money, but at this stage, at this time, it's bigger than the money. It's about putting smile on other people's face. I know what I had to go through when I was starting. Well, there was nothing like a Zoom. There was nothing like all this web conference. I told you guys, the first training I attended in 2006, I paid a fortune. okay, to attend that 3 hours training seminar at one hotel in Lagos. It was a lot. It was a lot. But then I didn't quit. Has it been a smooth ride? No, it has never. It has never been a smooth ride. Please mute your line. It has never been a smooth ride at all. But what many people always think is that success is like this. Success is like, it's like, okay, you will start from here. You start an account with $1,000, and all of a sudden, boom, 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 it will get to $1 million. That's what people always think. What people always think is that, oh, you get married. Once you get married, boom, 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 you begin to have children, boom, 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 everything will go smoothly. What people always think about success is that, oh, you get a job and boom, boom, you get promotion, buy a car, build a house. But ladies and gentlemen, permit me to tell you that life is not like that. It doesn't work like that. It doesn't work like that at all. Success, the way success is like this, it's like this, it's like this. It comes like this, it comes like this. Sometimes you look as if you are stagnant and nothing is happening, but you are learning, you are acquiring, you are investing on yourself, and you keep going up again and again like this, like this. But the truth of the matter is you will eventually get there. You eventually get there. This is where you are. This is where you want to get to. So what matters more is that know where you are, know where you want to get to, how to get there. Okay, how to get there. Most of the things that will guide you through it, the choice you make, the chances that you take. Okay, the choice and the chance. That is what making it happen. The race is not for the swift, ladies and gentlemen, but you just have to know, okay, where I want to be. I never knew that I'm going to be a pastor. Thank God I learned Forex trading. It makes it easy for me. I can combine it with the work of the ministry. As I'm talking to you now, okay, many people are at their job. I'm not saying it's a time to have a job or to be at a job, but then it just makes life easier for me. I'm able to combine it with ministry. We do a lot of community works. We do a lot of charity works. I'm able to help my community, my church members, and so on and so forth. That is the liberty that the Forex has given to me, and I know it can give to you if you choose to give yourself that freedom, okay, to just succeed in life. Once again, thank you so much for being part of this, and I really, really appreciate you, and I will see you guys at the top.
Are you ready to change your career, or are you looking to make extra income outside what you are currently making? Do you belong to one of these groups? 1. You've been hearing about cryptocurrencies or blockchain technology, but you don't have a clue how to get started. 2. You've been hearing about Forex trading, but you have no clue how to make money with it. 3. You have lost your hard-earned money into crypto sharks or Forex sharks. 4. You are sick and tired of your job and you want your freedom? The Forex Apostle Mentoring Program is the global leader in Forex, stocks, and crypto education. As a disciple of the Forex Apostle, you gain skills that you need to succeed in this new economy. Get more than just extra income. Start living life on your term and at your own design. Join the community of like-minded people working towards the same goal as you. Become a Forex disciple today. Visit www.theforexapostlementoring.com to join us.